Hi guys, this is like the third or fourth time I've had to re-record this. But yeah, I've got the Nokia 2.4 and I'm screen recording on my iPad instead of my phone because
Speech off.
yeah. And yeah, so here I will show you the ringtones and the notification tones and all that good stuff.
Notifications.
So I just need to go to
Battery.
why is it so slow?
Sound. Volume.
Yes, this is what I
Setting.
wanted.
Do not disturb. SIM1 phone ringtone. Sound.
Yeah, that's what I wanted.
Nokia bam. Nokia. Ticked. Nokia tune.
Oh, we will.
Double tap to select. Double tap and hold to long
Yes,
press.
I'm trying to turn off talk back.
Talk back off.
Right, there we go. Right, here we go. Oh, my days. Oops. Oh, my days. Okay, if you're wondering what them noises are in the background, it's our kitchen is getting renovated, and that's what all that drilling sound is in the background, if anyone can hear it. Yeah, just in case you're wondering. Anyway, next. Oopsies. Oopsies. Oh, my days. I'm sorry. You guys know what I'm gonna say, right? No, guys, the reason I was laughing is you guys know what I'm gonna say, right? Nyah from downstairs. I'm gonna say I'm yet to hear that ringtone in public. I am so sorry, but that's it sounded hilarious. I'm so sorry. Right, let's continue. Right. I'm never gonna hear that ringtone the same ever again. I'm joking. Did I click cancel? I hope I clicked cancel.
Recent. Show routes.
What is this?
No items.
What the heck?
Browse file. Not hit. More options.
No,
Sir.
no, no, no,
Recent.
no, 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 no,
Show
no,
routes.
no, no, no.
Button. Double tap to
Right,
act.
how do we go
S.
back here? If I swipe this way, would it bring us back?
SIM1 phone.
Oh, it does.
Ring and notification. 100%.
Uh-huh.
Default alarms.
Right, did we do it? Yes, we did.
Off. Short.
Oh my days, what are you doing?
Default
What
notification.
are you doing, you silly phone?
Dial pad.
Rawr.
Shortcut. Vibrate. Off.
Right, I'm just trying to find the phone ringtone because I need to make sure it's at the default one.
Do not disturb. 100. SIM1 phone ringtone. Nokia tune.
Yes, it is. Okay, perfect.
S. Media. Shortcut. Off. Default notification.
Yep, we got notification
Sounds.
tones next.
Nokia message.
Scrolling to the very top.
Ticked. Nokia message 01. Talk back off.
Yep, as you know, is my default notification tone. But I don't like this. Is these are Google ones, but we're gonna ignore them. I know Android is Google, but I'm just gonna go with what is actually default on the phone. Here we go. Oopsies. Oopsies. Okay, there, Google. We're gonna skip through those. Ah, there we go. No. Google. No. There we go. There we go. And we're gonna go back to the start and no. Choose that. And now I know the swipe gesture for back, so let's do back. Is that back or is that recent? I don't know what I'm doing.
List. Default notification sound. List.
Okay, maybe I do know what I'm
None.
doing.
Heading. List.
I take back what I said. I don't
Setting.
know what I'm doing. Wait, never mind.
Screen locking sound.
I do know what I'm doing.
Default Default.
Default alarm sound, tone,
Tick.
whatever you want to call it.
Ticked. Nokia alarm clock. Talk back off.
I've heard of Nokia clock. I don't know if I've ever heard of being called Nokia alarm clock. Maybe I have and I don't remember. Anyway, here we go. They got that from Nokia Lumia. It's not exactly the same as Nokia Lumia, but it is similar to. My favorite one, Helium. It's just cool.
Settings.
Yeah, there we go.
Dial pad tones. On. Switch. In list.
Yes. Okay, right. What am I
Navigate
gonna...
up.
Right, you be
Button.
quiet. What am I gonna do?
Settings. Search
There's something I
settings.
was gonna do.
Double tap to activate.
What was I gonna do? I can't remember what I was gonna do. What on earth was...
Required
Oh,
app
yeah.
update.
I know what I was gonna do.
Network and internet.
I'm gonna go home
Quick step.
first.
Home screen 2 of 2.
And I'm gonna turn the
Quick
talkback volume
duo.
down. I'm gonna go into clock
Keep notes.
or alarm or whatever it's
Double
called
tap to
on Android.
Phone.
I just know
Messages.
on Samsung it's
Place.
called clock. I don't
Absent.
know if it's the same.
Contact. Clock.
Okay, never mind, it is. Of course it
More
is. Why am I
options.
saying that? Right.
More. 0 hours. 0 minutes. 0 second. Timer.
Uh-huh.
More
More options. Here we go.
pop up with settings.
We're gonna go into settings. Because I
Setting.
don't want to have that
More
inspired
options. Button.
timer noise.
Change date.
Because it's really, really, really
Home
annoying.
time zone. On. Automatic home.
So I just
Off.
need to, like...
Display time. Style. Clock. Heading.
I need to change the timer tone because it's
On.
quite annoying.
Home times. Change. Alarms. Heading. Silence after. Snooze. Alarm. 100. Gradually volume. Start week on. Timers. Heading. Timer sound. Nokia alarm clock. Double tap
Oh, so it
to activate.
is. I changed it, didn't I? Maybe change it to Nokia timer, maybe. No, in fact, I'll keep it at Nokia alarm clock because
Quick step.
I'm going
Recent
to
apps.
actually...
Timer sound. Settings. Clock.
Right, we're just gonna go to clear all here.
Setting.
You know,
Clear all.
just keep
Home screen 2 of 2.
everything nice.
Home. Out of list.
Okay.
Accessibility volume set to 100%.
Set a timer for 1 second.
Okay, 1 second.
Alright. Oh, here we go.
Press select to activate.
And as you can tell, the timer is now ringing. With Nokia clock being the sound.
Stop.
How do I
But
stop it? Oh, just a quick
Google
stop.
double tap to activate.
Alright then. Cool. Open Keep Notes. Because I want to show you
Opening.
guys the...
Google Keep.
I want to show you guys the...
Refresh required.
The
It may take a
typing.
while. Refresh.
Oh gosh, no.
Open navigation.
No,
Single
we're not refreshing.
account and set.
No.
BDHD.
Yeah, gibberish notes. Yeah.
Refresh.
No, let's
Refresh.
not listen to all
Edited.
that.
Pin.
And we're
Arc.
going to
BD.
see if there's like...
Title. Edit box.
Uh-huh.
BDHD.
Yeah. Shush, 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 shush.
Title. Showing English UK QWERTY keyboard. Talk back off.
Now, I love how, like, I have this thing called a Braille Note Touch, and it's basically Braille, because that's how I read, and then it's like a Braille tablet, and it also speaks to you as well, although you can turn the speech off and just try and, like, read the Braille, and every time you press a button, it makes this noise. Every time. Unless you're tapping on something, then it makes a different sound, but, like, if you're typing, you hear, like, the Braille keys, because it has, like, a little keyboard case on it, for Braille keys, and you just hear, this is all you hear in school. From me. That's how you know I'm working hard. If you hear a lot of, along with button presses, yeah, you know I'm working hard. If you hardly hear any of that, I may be having a really tired day. But yeah, it's also how the screen, like, the projectors in school, because you can type on them, they're like touchscreen, and you type on them and they go like... Yeah. It's also how my granda has a Lenovo tablet, and that's also how it types. let me know if you guys have anything that types like that, because I have a Sony Xperia, a Nokia C21 Plus, and a Nokia, no, I think the Nokia C20, either a Nokia C21 Plus, I think it does do, but I'm not sure. The Nokia C01 Plus definitely does it, I think. And I also have an Alcatel 1B, and it types like that as well. I just love that wee sound. It's such a nice sound. It's like, just brings me back to old times, you know. It's like that nice old typing, you know. Deleting something, just spacebar be like, letters be like, spacebar, yeah, spacebar like, letters be like, return button be like, it sounds class. See if I can make a song out of this. That was terrible. That was terrible, but it was fun. Right, let's get me home out of this app
Talk back
before
up.
it starts
Recent
reading
apps.
things.
Keep notes.
Yeah, we're gonna
Keyboard hidden.
Can we dismiss
Keep
you?
notes. Keep notes.
Yeah, we can dismiss you, right?
Google Assistant.
Yeah, no, we
Clear
we,
all.
we, yeah.
But home
Yeah.
screen 2 of actions available. Use tap with 3 fingers to view.
And I'm going to turn off this phone.
Phone option. Power off. Shutting down.
So that noise that you just heard, the touch sound whenever I tapped on it, and like it made like a little pop sound, that is the noise that makes it on my Braille Note Touch whenever I tap on it, like double tap using the screen or press the little buttons for the enter. But yeah, you guys should definitely look for it. You guys who don't know, look up Braille Note Touch Plus. So BR. How do you spell Braille? I'm so used to doing a shortcut, which is BRL. How do you spell Braille? BRAIL. BRAILE. No, I'm such a bad speller. Right. Well, anyway, Braille Note Touch. Yeah, BRAILE. I think. Braille Note Touch Plus, but do the Braille Note, do Braille and Note, do it up close, and then yeah, so on and so forth. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and me recording on my beautiful iPad. And I'm not gonna bother airdropping it to my phone. I think I'll just upload it on my iPad from here. But yeah, that is it. Bye, everybody.
Sweet Mike, stop.